Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp web QR code issues when it's not loading or scanning on Windows 10 or 11. First, let's start with the simplest fix, refreshing the page. Sometimes a quick refresh clears minor glitches preventing the QR code from loading. Press F5 on your keyboard or click the refresh icon in your browser. You'd be surprised how often this works. If that doesn't help, the next step is to clear your browser cache. Over time, cached data can cause loading issues. Go to your browser settings, find Privacy and Security, and select Clear Browsing Data. After clearing, restart your browser and try opening web.whatsapp.com again. Still no luck? Try disabling browser extensions, especially ad blockers or privacy-focused extensions, as they can interfere with the QR code. You can do this in the extensions menu and re-enable them later if needed. If the problem persists, use your browser's incognito or private mode. This mode doesn't load most extensions or saved cookies, which can often help bypass conflicts. Open a new incognito tab and visit web.whatsapp.com to see if the QR code loads properly. By following these steps, refreshing, clearing cache, disabling extensions, or using incognito, you should be able to fix most QR code issues. If you're still having trouble, reach out to WhatsApp support for further assistance. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.